Queenslander throw on because Merrin goes to the gig. Brent Tate doesn't, he covers up. Possibly Hodges.
I don't think Hodges threw one, but he was watching out the corner of his eye because Greg Bird was racing in.
Well, Merrin's, he goes for 10.
Well, if they enforce the edict, he does, yeah.
It's now there's a domino effect with anybody else.
They're making me feel it's pretty well on. Up in the breaches.
Hodges on top first. Let's go! Hodges! Preston Hodges! And Brent Tate.
Hang on a second, what's going on here? Look at the eyes of Justin Hodges.
You both come in there, got involved. So that's in the best. Brent Tate didn't do anything that turn.
What did Brent Tate do? Apart from pull Gallen.
Greg Bird. Greg Bird.